Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're a parent or guardian managing a Nintendo Switch for your kids, you know how important parental controls are for keeping things safe and age-appropriate. Today's video is all about how to change your parental controls pin on your Nintendo Switch in 2025. This is super easy and only takes a couple of minutes, but it's a crucial step to ensure your settings stay secure. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure your Nintendo Switch is turned on and you're on the home screen. Grab your Joy-Con or Pro controller, and let's get started. Step 1. Navigate to the system settings. You can do this by selecting the gear icon in the bottom right corner of your home screen. It's that simple. Once you're in system settings, scroll down using the left stick or D-pad until you find Parental Controls. Select it by pressing A now. You'll be prompted to enter your current parental controls pin. This is the one you set up originally, so go ahead and input it carefully. After entering the PIN, you'll see options for managing your parental controls. Look for the option that says, Change PIN, or something similar. It might be labeled as, PIN Settings in 2025 Updates. Select that, and then you'll be asked to enter a new PIN. Choose something memorable but secure, like a combination of numbers that's not too obvious. Next, you'll have to confirm the new PIN by entering it a second time. This double check helps prevent any mistakes. Once that's done, hit confirm, and you're all set. Your new PIN is now active, giving you peace of mind. That's it. You've successfully changed your parental controls pin on your Nintendo Switch. Remember, regularly updating your PIN is a smart way to stay on top of online safety, especially with new games and features rolling out. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.